Hello guys, today we are going to make soft-boiled egg. First, we boil the water before putting in our eggs. Be careful not to crack it when placing it inside. To make soft-boiled eggs, we need to boil them for around 5 to 6 minutes. After that, we switch it up to cool down the boiling water. Then we take it out from the bowl. Leaving the egg to cool down in the hot water will require some time, and also will have the tendency to stick to the shell. So that's why we are going to rapidly cool it down with cold water, and if necessary, we put some ice and we can cool it down for a faster, and that will prevent the eggs from sticking to the shell. And let's see what the softball lid looks like. And you see this pretty lady is cracking the egg very carefully and ensure that it will not break. And as you can see, the shells remove pretty easily. And as you can see, the egg is smooth because the shells have not stick to the egg. And we are going to split up. It's a little bit slippery. Okay, let's see that. And we have the softball egg. Thank you for watching.